Uniswap's 2020 Uni airdrop was worth $17,968 at its last all-time high. In retrospect, that would have been pretty nice to pick up. Many of us didn't, unfortunately. But here's the thing. Now we have a couple of even more potentially exciting airdrop opportunities. These are happening on the Cosmos chain. We're going to be covering a handful of these opportunities, guys. Stay tuned. We break it all down in this video. Hey guys, my name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. We are a crypto investment research company. We've been in this crypto game for 6 years now, through thick and thin. We've been making millionaires since all the way back in 2017, not by accident either, but because we've done a lot of due diligence, a lot of research, and we've identified great projects, many of which have gone 100x or more in terms of the profits that we've enjoyed out of them. And if you want to use that experience and put it to work for you, you can check out our Altcoin Buzz Access Pro plan. It is a premium membership starting at $99 per month. With that, you get access to all our technical signals. You get information about NFT mints, airdrops, our updated opinions on the latest and greatest altcoin gems, and of course, you're put in touch with us and our research team. If this is something that interests you, check out the link in our description below. And just before we get into today's subject of airdrop opportunities, just keep in mind, guys, that we are expressing our opinions, a little bit of our enthusiasm, of course, and we put our money where our mouth is, so we're providing you with a little bit of our playbook. But don't consider this to be financial or investment advice. Let's define the terms here as we start off. Airdrops are the crypto version of free samples of a product, basically, in the shopping mall. And in this case, airdrops is kind of like a marketing strategy that new protocols use to introduce their native token and maximize the usage of it right from the very beginning. With Cosmos's ecosystem, it's obviously growing, and it's growing actually like very few other blockchains today, with more than 240 dApps at the time of doing this video. In fact, previously airdrop tokens in the Cosmos ecosystem like Juno Network, that's Juno, Stargaze, STAR, and Comdex, CMDX, have performed exceptionally well. And so if history is any indicator, the following projects may also be very successful in the future. We're going to break them down right now. So at number one, we have Stargaze, which I mentioned a moment ago. It is the first POS Layer 1 platform exclusively for NFTs that have more than 10,000 TPS. That's transactions per second. No transaction fees, and more than 100 validators. So the platform is already live and offers features like NFT launchpads, NFT marketplaces, interoperability with Ethereum via Gravity Bridge. And Stargaze is launching its airdrop in Cosmos. It's scheduled for March 4th, so that's coming up pretty quickly. Hard to believe, but we're already in March. However, the protocol said that it will be delayed by 2 days. And to participate in this, you need to stake at least 5 Atom tokens, ATOM, stake at least 50 Osmo tokens, OSMO, or LP tokens. And you can check out this link. We're going to include it in the description below, really, to know everything that you need to know about the Stargaze airdrop. The airdrop date, again, accommodating for that 2-day delay, is now March 6th. So if this is something of interest to you, check out this link. Once again, it'll be in the description below because March 6th is coming up pretty quickly after all. All right, next up on our list, moving right along to coin number 2, SPQR, Senatus. This is a platform that is really kind of filling the gap between users and governance mechanisms. In other words, Senatus will cover the inefficiencies of the current democracy model by applying blockchain technology. We're looking at their white paper here, which is actually only 2 pages. They are launching an airdrop of SPQR tokens for people who stake Atom and Juno tokens. So SPQR, the native token of Senatus, is going to be used to secure the Senatus network, which will reward its holders, of course. And it's important to note that stakers will be rewarded with 40% of the total supply of SPQR tokens. And according to the roadmap, Senatus is going to be expanded, so its holders can apply for it and it won't launch any ICO. Also, this initiative will migrate to a native Cosmos chain somewhere in Q3 of 2022. As of right now, an airdrop date has not been confirmed, but our recommendation is to keep an eye on their socials, especially their Twitter profile, which we viewed just a moment ago, because they're going to be releasing the details of that airdrop date very soon. All right, and moving right along to coin number 3, we're looking at Craft. And just aesthetically, you can kind of get a sense of the comparisons that are going to be drawn here. So can you imagine playing Minecraft by connecting your wallet and controlling all the assets you earn in the game? There is a DAO called Craft Economy, which is developing a Minecraft server. And their main goal is to build a decentralized economy supported by a DAO mechanism and represented by a server around one of the most popular games in the world. Of course, we're talking about Minecraft. Also, anyone can sign up for the beta version of the server and earn incentives in the process. And moreover, people that hold Craft, that's C-R-A-F-T, the native token, will be able to participate with this server. And to incentivize the popularity of this initiative, Craft Economy is soon going to launch an airdrop that will benefit Atom validators and holders, Osmo validators, Akash validators, Juno validators, holders of Osmo, Atom, and Luna Osmo LP tokens, Ion holders, and others. Once again, this particular team has not announced an airdrop date for the project, but keep an eye on their socials. That information will be dropping soon. And finally, today at number 4 on our list, we're looking at FOT. This is the native token of Fortist O Economia, which aims to connect people to DeFi by providing attractive investment opportunities. Only 2 types of token holders can participate in this airdrop with the following requirements. So number 1, Juno stakers. At the time of Juno, Moneta, and Vega upgrade, voters after every proposal at milestone events, and the Juno stakers can participate in airdrops until the 28th of March only. The second group is Atom stakers at the time of Cosmos Vega upgrade until April 14th, voters after every protocol, and at milestone events. Also, it's important to mention that you can stake in any validator without a limit of tokens. And just as a bonus now at the tail end of this short video, we want to mention a tracking airdrop tool in Cosmos that you may find useful. So we've shown you our favorite airdrops here in Cosmos, but you can also discover them by using this airdrop tracking tool. With this uplink calendar, you can see all the Cosmos airdrops that are coming in the next few weeks. And by clicking on the airdrops section located at the top right, you can see the project, the launch date, the announcement, and the description of each Cosmos airdrop. This is definitely a very useful tracking tool, but of course you still have to vet the projects before you stake your Juno, Atom, or any other token for that matter for airdrops. And that's where our experience in the crypto space comes into play. Because as always, guys, we endeavor to do that due diligence, that research, and that heavy lifting for you. There you have it, guys. Quick video for today. Just wanted to list some of these actionable airdrops that hopefully you can take advantage of. If you're still watching and you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to receive notifications. Never financial advice, but hey, best of luck if you do choose to invest. Check out these other videos, guys, which should be popping up right about now. Have a great hump day, a great midweek. Stay safe, and as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.